The EduTouch interactive solution is specifically designed for schools and kindergartens, comprising the EduTouch interactive panel, an extensive curriculum support software suite, technical support, and comprehensive training. This EduTouch solution creates an interactive and collaborative learning environment within the classroom and gives teachers the ability to use superior technology effectively to create life-changing learning experiences. EduTouch panels are available in a range of sizes to fit any classroom and can be wall-mounted or fitted on a mobile trolley or stand. EduTouch interactive panels are used extensively in schools throughout Australia and are a preferred product on the Education Queensland Government contract. The EduTouch panels are intuitive to use and feature an intelligent interface with touch control, high-resolution image with the 4K Ultra HD display, toughened anti-glare safety etch glass, 50-point touch, 8GB of system memory, 64GB of user storage, dual-band Wi-Fi AX with hotspot and Bluetooth, a web browser, whiteboard, a selection of apps and custom tools, wireless screen sharing, a 7-year warranty, and are compatible with all major operating systems. The icons on the home screen can be customized by adding or removing applications and inserting windowed apps such as displaying the contents of your laptop, a browser, a whiteboard, and many more. Resources can be accessed on the Android operating system, the internal PC if purchased separately, and on personal external devices such as desktops or laptops. eShare supports schools by creating a more collaborative learning environment in their classrooms and supports flexible teaching without using cables. Wireless screen mirroring and touch control for Windows and Mac laptops and computers, and wireless display for iPads, tablets and mobile phones is available, allowing up to 9 devices to be mirrored at the same time. Built-in interactive applications and tools are available, such as annotation tools, a calendar, a stopwatch, a countdown timer, crop, a magnifier, a curtain, and a spotlight. The EduTouch interactive panel gives you the ability to work interactively and seamlessly with most document formats from the panel, the cloud, or a USB. EduTouch panels include an interactive whiteboard, which engages students by making learning more interesting, fun, and participative. With customizable backgrounds, a choice of 10 pen types, a selection of tools that facilitate enjoyable and easy collaboration, and features to stimulate creativity and inspiration. For more information on the EduTouch interactive panels, visit the website www.ig3education.com.au, email info@ig3education.com.au, or call 1800 334 633.